Hello, good evening, Kwa. Good evening.
Teacher,
It's nice to see you again. How are you today?
I'm fine.
You're fine. That's very good. And are you ready for today's lesson?
Yes,
Okay, so I think for this lesson, we will just have a free talk. So when we say free talk, so you will just share your ideas or your experiences with what we had learned in Unit 1, Unit 2, and Unit 3. Okay, so we will just have some questions here that you have to answer. Okay, so are you ready?
yes.
Okay, so let's go first with our unit one, which is what is about unit one?
About yourself.
Okay, so for this one, it is about yourself.
Teacher,
Oh,
teacher,
yes.
wait me.
What?
Wait me.
Why it's me? What? What did you say, Kwa?
Okay, okay, teacher. My mom told me.
Oh, why? Ah, your mom talked to you?
Yes,
Oh, okay. So now are you ready for this lesson?
yes.
Okay, so for this one, we will talk about yourself. So you will share some things about yourself and answer question. So for this one, let's start with the first question. Can you read the question first before answering? Number one.
What's your name? How do you spell it?
Okay. And after that, answer the question. What's your name and how do you spell your name?
My name is Khoa and it's spelled Khoa.
Very good. It's spelled as Khoa. Okay, thank you. How about our next question? Can you read the next question?
Where is your hometown? Tell me something about your hometown.
Okay. So can you share where is your hometown? And can you tell something about your hometown? You can say some things about your hometown, like what is your favorite place in your hometown, or what are the food that your hometown has? Famous things. Oh, it's up to you.
I don't know. Many.
Ah, you don't know. How about what are the um, places that you did go to your hometown that become your favorite or that you like?
I like the food in my hometown.
Oh, I like the food in my hometown. And what are those food that you like?
Is the uh noodle
Noodles. Wow. Is it a spicy noodles or just a original or classic noodles?
traditional noodle?
Original, so it's not spicy. Okay. So how does the noodles taste like? Is it like salty, sweet?
It's like a
It's like
plate of noodle.
it's like
Plate?
a vegetable.
Yes.
Oh, vegetable noodle. Wow, I think that's very healthy because it's a vegetable noodle. Wow, so thank you so much for sharing something about your hometown, especially the food that you like. Okay, so now, where do you live now? Do you still live in your hometown?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So I still live in my hometown. Okay, so next, do you work or study? Are you
I
busy?
study.
Oh, you are, or I'm studying. I'm Studying. Are you busy with your study right now?
Yes.
Oh, I'm busy. And what are the things that you are doing in your school or at your school right now?
Mm, uh,
Do
uh,
you what are the things? Do you have exams? Do you have an upcoming quiz, examinations?
Many.
Oh, you have many things?
Yes.
What kind of things?
Mm, is math.
Oh, math. It's about math. Okay, so thank you very much. Next, let's go with the next question. Do you like your studies and why? Do you like studying and why?
I like study
I like
because
because
I like study because study can make me can make me
it make me it can make you know know other things or some things
can make me
learn.
better.
Oh, it can make you better. It can make me better. Very good. So good job. I like studying because studying can make me better. Very good. Next, what are your hobbies, Kwa?
My hobbies is play in chess.
Playing chess?
Yes.
Oh, only playing chess? Don't you have any other hobbies?
Yes.
Oh, so my hobby is playing chess. Wow, that's very good. When you are playing chess, do you play with other people or do you play with your parents or brothers and sisters?
I play with my friend and my parent.
Oh, oh wow, I play with my friends. Okay, that's very good. Next. Okay, what do you often do at the weekend?
I often go to my friend's house and play game and chess in here. In the
Oh, in their house?
in my friend's house.
Oh, okay. So I often go to my friend's house and play games and chess. Okay, very good. So next, do you play any sport? Yes or no?
No,
No. But have you experienced playing some sports connected to your school? Like, do you have a subject of physical education or
oh,
PE?
I I have is a swim.
Oh, swimming. Wow. When or who do you swim with? Or like what time?
My my little sister.
Oh, you swim with your little sister. And
Yes.
do you have like a swimming instructor or teacher?
I self study swimming,
Oh, self-study. Oh,
but I can play. But I can swim very well.
wow, that's very good. How about on the beach or in the beach? Can you swim like deep in the beach? Or
I
are you not afraid of the deep?
I rarely swim at the beach and uh usually swim at the swimming pool.
Oh, oh, usually swim on the swimming pool instead of the beach. Okay, Okay, so thank you so much. How about, can you tell me about your family? Do you have brothers, sisters, or how was your relationship with your parents? Or
Mm,
how many are you how many are you in your family?
how many people in my family?
Yes, how many people are there in your
There
family?
are four people in my family.
Oh, and who are those four people aside from your mother
Yes.
and father?
My dad, my mom, my little sister, and I.
Oh, you have a little sister. Wow.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, thank you so much, your little sister. And within your family, what do you usually do together?
I usually, mm,
Do you usually go out with your family?
yes.
Oh, I usually go out with my family. And what do you do when you go out with your family? Do you go to the mall? Do you go to the supermarket or at the park?
The mall.
Oh, we go to the mall. We go to the mall. Okay, so very good. How about can you tell me something about your personality? What is your personality? Are you
Teacher,
yes.
I forget what personality means.
Oh, you forgot personality. When we say personality, it is what you are. For example, you are friendly, you are hardworking,
Oh, okay,
you are
okay.
kind. I am. What are you? Are you friendly? Are you hardworking?
My
Are
personality is funny
funny and
and helpful.
oh, helpful. Am I right? Helpful?
What?
Is that right? Helpful. Personality is funny and helpful. Is that correct?
No.
No. What is the last word that you said? My personality
It's
is funny and
and funny and talkative.
funny and
Funny and talkative.
oh, talkative. Oh, okay. That's very good to know. And do you have, since you are talkative, do you have many friends?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Yes, I have many friends. Many friends. Okay. So very good.
My friends is talkative too.
Oh, your friends are talkative. Talkative too. Okay. So very good. So good job. So next, let's go or move on to our huh, second. Okay, second or unit two. So the questions or set of questions that we will answer for the unit two is about discover yourself. Okay, so let's move on to the question. Okay, so let's have this one. So first, can you tell something about yourself or like how old are you? What do you do when you have free time?
Mm, my name is Juan. I'm 12 years old and I'm in class 65.
Oh, in class 65?
Yes.
Oh, is at school? Is this at school?
Yes,
Okay. And what are the things that you like or you love to do?
I I love play chess and I hate do homework.
Oh, you hate doing homework. Okay. But have you already finished doing your homework?
Yes,
Okay, that's very good. Even though that you hate doing homework, it's very good that you finish doing homework. So next, okay, so we have answered this earlier, so we just move on to the next question. Okay, so do you think that you are ambitious? When we say ambitious, it is being like a person with a strong desire for success, this being desirable to be successful in the future. For example, if you are being ambitious and you want to be an engineer in the future, so your ambition is I want to be an engineer in the future. That is my ambition. Okay. So, are you ambitious? Do you think you are
yes,
ambitious? Okay, very good.
yes.
And what is your ambition in the future? Or what job would you like to have in the future?
What
I want to be a what? You want to be what?
I want to be a chess champion.
Oh wow, chess champion. Have you experienced like uh, playing
Teacher,
with? Oh yes.
I'm in class 65, not 65.
Oh, class. What is the spelling of that? Six.
65,
Oh, 65. Is
not
that correct?
65.
65?
Yes,
Okay, okay. I just misunderstood that. So 65. Okay. So very good. So have you experienced playing with a chess contest before?
yes, many.
Oh, many times. How about now? Are you still joining some contests?
Yes,
Oh, and how was it? How was your game? Did you have fun? Did you already win many time or won many times?
many times.
Oh, many times. Wow, that's very good. What kind of chess game are you playing? Do you know a dama? Dama, is that correct? Dama in chess. Do you know dama?
What
Oh, I think dama is only in the Philippines. So this is one of the game that is famous in the Philippines. So it is like another strategy of playing chess, like this one. Let me just show you. Let me just show you a quick video of Dama. Dama.
Oh, teacher,
Oh yes.
you are in Philippines too?
Oh yes. I'm in the Philippines. Yes. Oh, okay. So we call Dama checkers in the
Checkers is a two-player game
this one.
that's played on a special board called a checkerboard. The goal of the game is to
So it
capture
is
each
like,
of your opponent's pieces,
No,
called
I don't know.
oh, you
I don't
don't know this
play.
one. Oh, so it's this one is famous in the Philippines. So I thought it is also famous in other countries. So what kind of chess game? Is it the original game that you are playing for chess? Is
I
it or
play
I play? What kind of chess game? Is it the original like rule of the chess that you are playing?
or you know.
What? Original. Okay, you're playing the original. Okay, so very good. So thank you so much for your for sharing your ambition. Wow, that's a very good ambition to be a chess champion. Okay, so next, let's answer this one. What are your strengths?
My strength is English
Strength is English. Very good. And why do you think that English is your strength?
because my English mark is the best of my mark.
Oh, my English mark is the best. Is that correct?
Is the point of test.
Oh, okay. So, I for the your grade, is that correct? Your grade in English is one of the best. Is that correct?
Yes.
Oh, that's very good to know that your English is very good. How about how do your strengths? How do you think your strength, which is English, help you or will help you in your life? How English will help you in your life?
English will help me go to
Go to your
go to
your dream university. You have told teacher last time, right, that your dream university is in China, and one of the things that even though when studying or when you will study in China.
teacher. I know.
Oh, what?
English English will help me travel to
Oh,
America.
oh, wow. You want to travel in America?
Yes.
Wow, that's very good. And since you have told me before that you have your dream university in China, don't you have since your strength is English?
I I go China and then I go to the America.
Oh,
Oh.
you will first study in China and after that you will go to America?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's very good because studying in China, it is really reliable because they're like their curriculum when studying is very strict, especially when they have entrance exam. So most of the students are really reviewing for that exam. And most of my students before are from China and they are very fluent. Same as you are very fluent in English. That is why after going to China or studying China, you can definitely work or go to America. Okay, so that is really good because English is one of the common or one of the most used language in America because it is their first language. Okay, so now since we have talked about your strengths, how about your weaknesses? What are your weaknesses?
Witnesses.
What is your weaknesses? I'm
Uh,
not good at
I am not good at math.
math. Okay, so even though you are not good at math or in math, how do you try to improve it? Or do you do anything to like study math so that you can be better or so that you can overcome these weaknesses or weakness? Do you
I
study?
can study uh more time
Oh, I
to math.
study.
I study math for
I
um,
study.
2 hours in a day.
Oh, oh wow, that's very good. Study math for 2 hours. That's very good. So do you also have like a math tutor?
What?
Or tutor means a teacher, also teacher. Tutor is the same as teacher. Okay, do you have a teacher in math? Like a teacher, one-on-one teacher?
Yes.
Oh, you also have a teacher, a one-on-one teacher in math?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's very good because it is helpful to have a one-on-one with a math teacher because I have before when I was studying in a college, even though I got a psychology as my college degree, so there are some mathematics that we have in our subject, and the math is very hard. So I have a teacher. I also have a teacher one-on-one with with our subject math, and it is very helpful because you are with having a one-on-one teacher, so you are the only student that the teacher is teaching, so it will be easy to study. Okay, so next, let's answer the next question. So which troubles do your weaknesses cause? Or what is the reason why your math is your weaknesses, or what is the cause why math is one of your weaknesses? Is it about
Because it's very difficult.
because math is very difficult? Math is very difficult. What kind of difficult? Like, are you having a difficulty in answering some equations, or are you having difficulty in some of the solutions that are needed, or what specifically is or are the things that you or that you see in the subject math?
Yes.
Yes, what are the things? Are you having a difficulty in memorizing the solutions of the problem, or are there any other things?
Problem.
Oh, the problem itself. Especially, have you experienced answering what do you call that? A sentence, I think. Let me just look up to it. Is it a sentence problem? Sentence problem, is that what you call? So there is like a sentence that you will read, and there are some problems that you need to solve within that sentence. Have you experienced that kind of things in math?
What?
Uh, Let me just check an example so that I can explain it to you further. This one. Mhm. Let me just check some examples here. Okay, this one. Uh, mm, okay, this. Then let me just share this. Have you experienced having these kinds of problems where you will read some concepts? Like, for example, a teacher places 55 books onto shelves. Each shelves hold 9 books. How many shelves does the teacher fill? Do you have these kinds of problems in your school or at your school?
Yeah, teacher.
Yes.
Did you a math teacher?
I am a math teacher. No, I'm not a math teacher because doing math it is also my weakness. But if I study hard for some math problem, so I can definitely learn it, but not too quickly, because learning math, as you have said, you need to study it for longer hours. Unlike English, you can study it for just a short span of time and you will learn many things. Unlike math, you need to spend your time just to know or to memorize some things about math. So yeah, that is one of the example that is my weaknesses when it comes to math. Okay. So next, let's go with the next question. So let's move on with the weaknesses. So now, who is the person that you admire the most? When we say,
I
okay, sure.
I admire.
It can be like celebrities or your the famous chess players in your town.
Teacher, can I write?
What?
Can I write?
Oh yes, you can write. Go, you can write. Let me just delete this. Go right.
Okay, teacher.
Oh, Magnus Carlsen. Who is that? Who is Magnus Carlsen?
He is a chess champions player.
Oh, wow, I can see it here. Is is he a player in America? Is that correct?
No,
Oh no. He is a Norwegian. So he is in Norway. Is that correct? Norway. Oh wow, I can see that there are some movies about Magnus. Is Magnus still alive from this day? Oh yes, he is alive. He is just 35 years old. Oh wow, uh, s- I only seen Magnus Carlsen at this day. So wow. Aside from Magnus Carlsen, who are the person that you admire the most? Do you admire your parents or your friends?
I admire my my grandparents.
Oh, grandmother? Oh, grandparents. Both of your grandparents, with your mother's side and father's side?
What?
Both of your grandparents in your mother's side and father's side. When we say mother's side, it is your
Both,
mother's parents.
both.
Both. Oh, both of your grandparents. Wow, that's very good. Does your grandparents live with in your house, or they live in other places or other cities in Vietnam? Do your grandparents live in your house also?
No,
No. No. Okay. So they live in another hometown, or they live in another hometown? Do they live in your hometown or another hometown?
in my hometown, but not near my house.
Oh, not in your house, but in your hometown. So that means your grandparents are close to you. Okay. So next, this one. Who do you want to become in the future? Do you want to become Magnus Carlsen?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Oh, oh no. why is the sound? Okay, so that
Teacher,
is yes. Did you
what
hear that? I think it's just my background music. Okay. Uh, why is my camera closed? Okay. So now, so you want to become Magnus Carlsen. So why do you want to become Magnus Carlsen? Why do you want to become Magnus Carlsen?
because I want to play chess every day.
Yes, wow, that's very good because you want to play chess every day. Good job. Next, what is your goal of life aside from being a chess master? What is your goal?
Teacher, please wait me to translate
Ah, what will you translate?
this question.
Goal. When we say goal, so it is like what we desire to become. It is what we
My goal of my life is become a champion chess player
champion chess player. How about aside from being a champion chess player?
or the uh, international student.
Oh, I also want to be an international student. Wow. That's also my dream before because before in our school there are no recommendations of being international student, but after I graduate, so they have an application for being an international student, and we don't have any chance. Okay, so wow, that's a good goal for your life, and I hope to I hope for you to be successful for that goal. Okay, so thank you so much for sharing about discovering yourself. So now let's have some question about your hometown, which is our recent lesson, which is our lesson last Tuesday. Okay, so since this is our recent lesson, can you share it to teacher? What is your understanding about the word hometown? What is your understanding? Or what is your idea about hometown?
I don't know.
I don't know. Wait, your hometown is? What is your hometown? But what what is your hometown again? When we say hometown, it is the place where we are born and grew up. So this is the place that we are in since birth. The- I think this is you are at your hometown right now. So that
Yes,
is yes, okay. Oh, so that is okay. You left the Zoom. Okay, so very
teacher,
yes.
I was kicked out of the meeting.
Oh, you were kicked out? Eh?
My internet was shaken.
Ah, I thought I kicked you out. Okay. I thought I clicked kick out. Okay. So okay, it's okay. So now let's start the questions here. So again, Kwa, where is your hometown?
My hometown is in Vietnam.
Okay, very good. And do you live in your hometown now?
Yes,
Yes. Okay. Very good. And what Do you know what food is famous in your hometown?
Yes.
What food? Is it
It's noodle.
noodles? So it's noodles. It is the famous food there. Okay. So next, um, what do you like about your hometown?
I like the air in here.
Oh, I like the air in here. What can
I
you say
like
about?
the I like the fresh air in here.
Oh, I like the fresh air. Very good. I like the fresh air in here. How about the people? Do you like the people in your hometown?
Yes, the people is kind and helpful.
Very good, because they are kind and helpful. And how about the places that you like in your hometown? What are the places that you like in your hometown? Are there a famous park in your hometown or famous tourist spots in your hometown?
Famous famous landmark
What is the famous landmark in your
is
hometown?
so
Is
the famous landmark in my hometown is have many tourists go visit.
oh, what is the name of that place?
Is the Dawson Beach.
Oh, it's a beach. Is that correct? Dawson Beach? Or how
No,
do how do you spell that? D-O. Oh, Dawson Beach. Okay. Is that a famous beach in your hometown?
yes,
Oh, wow. Yeah, I can see it in here. Oh, wow. It's a very good beach. It's in Haiphong. Wow.
yes.
Wow, it's a very good beach. Okay. Thank you so much for sharing. So next, since we talk about what do you like in about your hometown, now let's go. Is there anything you dislike about
No,
your hometown? Oh no.
no, it is.
Oh no. No, there isn't. Very good. So no, there isn't. Next, what do people in your hometown do? Can you tell something about their lives?
They go to the market to buy food. They go to the mall to play. They
Play,
go, they go to bicycle to grow up.
to buy, cir- to buy
No,
circle.
they go to ride their bike
All right.
to keep health.
Oh, wow. And how about what are the famous job in your hometown? Does your hometown have a lot of farmers, have a lot of engineers, have a lot of chess players?
Have lot of policemen
Oh, oh wow, that's very good. Have a lot.
and they can catch me when uh
They can
they can catch me uh
catch
they can catch me anytime. It's fine.
anytime. Oh, they can cut me anytime. Is that correct?
It's fine.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. Why will they cut you? Do you have a
I I
why will they cut you?
I
Or why will they catch you?
I really
I'm really
I really
Really?
No, I swearing.
Oh, you swear a lot. Is that correct? You swear a lot?
Here.
But you cannot be in prison by just swearing.
I
Is that correct?
swearing with my bicycle.
Oh, I swearing with my bicycle?
Yes.
Oh, what does that mean? You swear with your bicycle? Swear with,
Swearing.
is that correct? Swear with my bicycle. You cursed? You swear when you are riding bicycle? What do you mean by swearing? You are cursing other people?
Is the is mean
It means
swaying.
swaying.
Yes.
Oh, swaying. I sway with my bicycle. Oh, okay. I see. Next, this one. What is the best season in your hometown? When we say season, it is a spring, summer,
Is
fall,
the
and winter.
summer
Oh yeah.
because it have beach.
Oh, because it has beautiful
Beach.
beaches. Very good. So good job. How
No,
about,
have only one beach.
oh, you only have one beach. Oh, it has beautiful beach. Okay. How about do you have a season winter in your hometown?
Yes.
Oh, you all
Four
in your,
season.
oh, all of the season you have in your hometown.
Four season is spring,
Spring,
uh,
summer.
summer, fall, and winter.
Oh wow. Have you experienced like playing in the snow?
No, not have snow.
Ah, you don't have snow. Also, what kind of season do you have in your hometown? Do you only have summer, fall, and spring? No winter?
Yes, have winter, but not have snowy.
Ah, you have winter,
In
but
winter is only cold.
oh, the winter is only cold. So you don't have snow.
Yes.
Okay. Let me check. Hi, Fong. Winter. Hmm. Oh, you really have a winter. But it is dry, like what you have said. It is a dry winter without snow. Oh, okay. So I see that because I thought that some places in Vietnam they don't have
Teacher,
winter. Yes.
what do you see?
Huh?
What do you see?
This one. I just search up your what do you call this? Your hometown. This. Yes, Haiphong has a distinct winter season. So you are in northern Vietnam. So you experience cold and dry winter from November to April. So you have a dry winter instead of having a snow. Wow. So you're in northern Vietnam, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, that's why you are experiencing winter. Wow, that's good. And how about have you already traveled in the countries that has winter, that has snow? Have you already traveled to those country that has snow?
No.
I know you haven't traveled. Okay. Okay, so next. Okay, so since you already answered this question, a tourist destination in your hometown, which is the a beach that you had told. So next, this one. How has your hometown changed in recent year? Or is there any changes in your hometown? What are those changes?
I don't know.
I don't know. How about the buildings in your hometown before, when you are a child? Is there a building in your hometown? Or are there buildings in your hometown?
What?
Ah, when you are still a child, are there buildings before in your hometown? When you
Mm,
are still a child, are there buildings in your hometown before? Or do you see buildings in your hometown when you're still,
yes.
oh, there are buildings. How about now? Are those buildings changed?
Not have now.
Oh, you don't have buildings now?
Yes.
Oh, so that are the changes in your hometown. Your buildings had
Is if it was
it was
Beaches
it was
is what uh is what wait me to translate.
okay. Sure. Take your time.
Destroy.
It was
Destroy.
destroy. Oh,
Yeah.
disjoint. Destroyed. Okay, destroyed. It was destroyed. Oh, okay. So that is the changes. So you have buildings in your hometown before, but it was destroyed right now.
Yes.
Okay. So next, if you could change one thing in your hometown, what would you change and why?
I don't know.
I don't know. How about the
Both.
place? Both?
Both. Yes.
You want to change both? What kind of those? Like, since you have told teacher earlier that in winter you don't have snow, would you like to change it to having snow when it is winter so that you can experience having snow? Do you want to change?
I change.
I will
I
change.
change the whole season.
Oh, the fall season or the four season?
Yes.
Oh,
The
w-
autumn.
what kind of changes do you want to change with those four seasons?
I want to change the winter season.
Oh, winter season because it does not have snow. Yeah. I also want to have a winter season in here because in the Philippines it is just hot. It is mostly hot or it is mostly
Only
summer.
only hot.
Yeah, I think we just only have summer, summer and spring. No. We only have rainy and sunny season. Rainy and dry
Yes.
season, yeah. We only have two seasons. We don't have spring, fall, and winter. Yeah. So that is our season here. Okay, next. Do you want to leave your hometown in the future when you become old or when you become adult? Yes or no?
Yes. Because
Yes.
it's so beautiful.
Yes, because it's beautiful. Wow.
Yes.
And how about since you have told teacher earlier that you want to go to America after studying in China, don't you want to live in America?
What?
Since you told teacher earlier that you want to go to America, don't you
Yeah.
want don't you want to live in America?
Yes.
Ah, you also want to live in America?
Teacher.
Yes.
But in America has many
As
oh
many? Many?
wait
Okay, okay.
homicidio.
What is that? Call me Sido?
Let's I write.
Okay, right, right. Ah, wait, I cannot see it. Oh, homicidal. Oh, this one, homicidal in America?
Yes.
Yeah, there are a lot of homicides or crime in America. But overall, some of the parts in America is a very good place. So
Yes.
not all parts of America
I want
is
to
dangerous.
I want to travel to Los Angeles.
Yes, yes, that's a good place in America. And also, do you know? Let me just check. Eh, Do you know Harvard University? Do you know that
Mm.
university? Harvard.
Yes.
Yes. Don't you want to become a student in Harvard University?
No. I want
No.
to become a student in Oxford.
Oh, Oxford. Yes. Oxford is also a good school. Yes, aside from Harvard, Oxford is also good. But it is, I think it's in the United Kingdom. Yeah,
Yes.
it's in United
Or
Kingdom.
Stanford.
What? What is that?
Or
Oh,
Stanford.
Stanford. Oh, Stanford. Yeah, it is also one of the great schools. It's in California. Oh, California is one of the great places in America. Okay, so good job. Good job for this free talk. So I learned a lot from the things that you like with your hometown, especially about yourself. So good job. Good job in sharing your ideas, Kwa. But however, so I think there are some words that you are not familiar with. That is why you utilize using translator. But it's okay. So you can still study those words. So for you to be able to learn more or widen your knowledge about words in English, so I can suggest that you read some books or like read some books, English books, specifically English books. Okay. So
Yes.
you did a great job today, Kwa. So practice your how you answer more in a complete sentence because sometimes you answer in incomplete sentence, but it's okay since we are practicing here and we can still practice those in our future classes. So good job. So thank you very much for your time today, Kwa.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, goodbye. And you can now rest today. So goodbye and thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Thank you. See you again.